In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your freelance workflow in Trello. Whether you're opening the app for the first time or leveling up your system, I'll walk you through the exact structure I use to stay on top of every gig, from first pitch to final payment. Think of Trello as a digital whiteboard. Your first move is to create boards that mirror how your business actually operates. Many freelancers like a single master board called something like Freelance Workflow to track everything in one place. If you manage a few long-term clients, separate boards for each can keep priorities clean. There's no right answer. Pick the setup that helps you find what you need fast. Inside each board, build lists that reflect the life cycle of your work. Start with pitches or leads, where you collect jobs you're applying for or ideas you're pitching. When something is greenlit, move it into one or to-do so you can see what's ready to start. As you begin working, drag the card into in progress. When you've submitted a draft or deliverable and you're waiting to hear back, park it in review or feedback. And when you've wrapped it up and the invoice is settled, slide it into completed or paid. Keeping these stages consistent makes your workload instantly scannable at a glance. Now, use cards for the actual work. Create one card per project, article, design, or deliverable. This keeps each commitment focused and measurable. Inside the card, use the description to capture the brief or objective, then break the work into clear, actionable steps with a checklist. Checklists are great for outlining research, drafting, editing, and delivery tasks, and you can reorder items as priorities shift. Attach any relevant files, client briefs, images, or links to documents, so everything lives in one place, and you're not hunting through emails when a deadline approaches. To manage time and priorities, lean on labels and due dates. Color code labels by urgency: red for urgent, yellow for revision, blue for research, or by client or project type if that's more useful. The key is to pick a scheme and stick with it so colors mean something at a glance. Add a due date to every card with real deadlines. This keeps your board honest about what needs attention now versus what can wait, and it helps you plan your week without surprises. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.